Have you ever noticed how quickly stress can pull you out of yourself? 1 minute you're grounded and clear, and the next you're scattered, tense, or completely overwhelmed. Now, the good news is you don't have to stay there. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple energy resets you can use anytime, anywhere to bring you back into your alignment fast. Welcome back to the Living in Alignment series. I'm Robyn, an energy teacher, healer, and author. And in this series, I share practical ways to work with your chakras, your energy fields in real life. So if you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bells so you don't miss the rest of the series or some of my other videos. And check out my website for sessions and courses I offer. All right, so why does stress pull us out of center? So when we're under stress, our whole energy system shifts. Stress isn't just in your head. It shows up in your body, your emotions, and your energy field. And if left unaddressed, it builds up in the body as issues and illnesses. In the mind, you might find yourself caught in loops of overthinking, zoning out, or jumping from one thought to another. It's like your mind can't land. In the body, stress often shows up as tight shoulders, clenched jaw, shallow breathing, or a knot in your stomach. Your nervous system is on alert and your chakras tighten in response, especially your root, solar plexus, and the heart. In the emotions, stress can trigger anxiety, irritability, or that feeling of being completely overwhelmed. Some people snap quickly, others withdraw or shut down. Now, in the soul, stress pulls you out of your presence. Instead of being centered in your own energy, you are pulled into reaction, survival mode, or even somebody else's energy. Now, from an energetic perspective, this looks like your field collapsing inwards or scattering outwards. For example, your root chakra might lose its grounding, leaving you feeling unsafe. Your solar plexus might tighten, making it hard to feel confident. Your heart chakra might close so you can't connect. And your throat chakra may constrict, leaving you unable to express yourself clearly. That's why stressful moments feel so destabilizing. You're not just mentally overwhelmed, you're energetically out of alignment. And when your energy is scattered, it's nearly impossible to respond in a calm, clear way. So, first question is, do you even know your stress indicators? Let's try something right now. Take a slow breath in and notice your body. Do you feel tension in the shoulders, the jaw, or maybe the belly? Now notice your mind. Is it calm or is it busy jumping about? Bring your attention to your emotions. Do you feel steady or is there restlessness, worry, or pressure? And finally, check in with your energy. Do you feel centered in yourself or pulled off, out to the side, maybe even scattered? That quick scan shows you where stress is already living in your system. And the good news is you can reset it in just moments. The first and the simplest tool I teach is this: stop, ground, breathe, and reset. So the stop is as soon as you notice stress rising, pause for even 5 seconds. Notice where you feel it in your body. Ground. Drop your attention to your feet. Imagine roots sinking into the earth or simply feel the floor beneath you. Breathe. Take one deep, slow breath down into the belly. Exhale with a sigh. And then repeat that as many times as you need, and just imagine the stress draining down into the ground with each breath. And then the reset is place a hand over your heart or your solar plexus. Soften your eyes and remind yourself, I am here. I am safe. I am in my center. That's it. Even in a meeting, on a phone call, or when your kids are losing it, you can use this quietly and no one needs to know you're even doing some energy work. Now, the second option is a physical one I call shake and reset. Now, stand up if you can and shake your hands, your arms, and your legs for 20 to 30 seconds. Let your shoulders drop. Exhale with a sound like a sigh, a hum, or a ah. And imagine shaking off stress and tension. Now, this works beautifully when stress feels stuck in the body. The shaking clears it out, and you'll notice your mind and your emotions naturally follow. Now, the third tool is called 4-7-8 breath. So inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold it for 7, and then exhale through the mouth for 8. Now, this one is especially powerful if stress is in your mind and has it racing. The counting keeps your thoughts focused, and while the long exhale clears tension from the body, resets the nervous system. Now, you can just do 2 to 3 rounds and you will feel the shift immediately. When you can reset your energy in the middle of stress, you respond from clarity instead of reactivity. Your body relaxes, your mind clears, your emotions settle, and your presence comes back online. This isn't just about coping. It's about staying in alignment even in the messy moments. Now, the more you practice these quick resets, the faster your system learns to return to balance. Now, over time, you'll find you bounce back from stress instead of staying stuck in it. I'd love to know which of these 3 resets feels the easiest for you, and I want you to try them all this week. Now, the quick stop, ground, breathe reset, the shake and reset, or the 4-7-8 breath. And I want you to share in the comments how you went and which you found most effective. Now, if this was useful on some level, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who could really use a stress reset. And if you want to go deeper into working with your energy beyond quick resets and into real transformation, I invite you to join me in my workshops where I explore the full 14 chakra system and learn practical tools to stay aligned in daily life. And you'll find all of the details in the description below or on my website. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode where we bring it all together with daily habits that you live in your everyday life. I'll catch you on the next one.